Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. First of all, I would like to tell you that if you are watching this video first time, subscribe my channel to see my more upcoming videos on analysis of different commodities and equity indices. And second important thing is to watch this video till its end to understand this thoroughly to take your decision. Your word like will motivate me to be regular in working more hard for you. Let us start the day to analyze the movements of WTI Crude Oil Futures in different time frames. Friends, the price of WTI crude oil finally broke $60 on Wednesday after the announcement of weekly inventory levels, which showed a withdrawal of 9.6 million barrels, which was really beyond all expectations. No doubt that there are different noises about the strength of oil prices. Some prefers to rate the oil futures strength with commitment for more cuts by OPEC plus countries, and whereas slowing economic growth concerns at global level appears to be on the first place to lower demand for oil in near future, whereas impact of delay in resolving tariff trade war issue looks to be the main reason behind slow demand for oil. On the other hand, growing US oil production looks to be the immediate reason behind oversupply issue, which negates all commitment from OPEC plus countries. But I find that sanctions on Venezuela and Iran have helped to eliminate a significant amount of oil from the markets. Secondly, growing optimism over permanent solution to eliminate tariff trade war issue will negate the oversupply issue, because the flow of crude oil out of US will motivate oil thirsty China and India to consume this oversupply permanently, which will negate this oversupply, or I will say which will turn this oversupply into undersupply of crude oil. But on Sunday, a statement from Chinese Vice Premier about the China's growing confidence for achieving target economic growth, which is between 6% to 6.5% for the year. Mr. Han, speaking at the China Development Forum, reiterated that China will further deepen market-oriented reforms and open its economy. He also said China's import of goods are expected to exceed at $12 trillion in the next 5 years. So friends, this step from the Chinese government looks to be a source of motivation for the crude bulls to go long from the current levels. Therefore, I find that the crude oil futures to remain under impact of different noises during the upcoming week. But I find that here you can see the movement of WTI crude oil futures in a daily chart. Here you can see that WTI crude oil futures have been maintaining an uptrend amid this uptrend zone since December 2018. We have seen a good spurt in WTI crude oil futures, and these movements looks too steady, where we can expect the WTI crude oil futures to take a sharp upward move amid this uptrend zone. Therefore, I find that during the upcoming week, the WTI crude oil futures may start the upcoming week with a gap up opening on the first trading session, where we will find the WTI crude oil futures to start the upcoming week with a gap up opening, and in this process, no doubt that the WTI crude oil futures will start the week above the level of $61.50, where I find that the WTI crude oil futures will be trading above this 200 days moving average in the daily chart, which makes it evident enough that WTI crude oil futures will achieve the new levels of strength during the upcoming week. Now let me show you these expected trading zones in a 4-hour chart. My stop loss for the next week will be at the level of $54.54. In case of a downward move during the upcoming week, I find the WTI crude oil future will find good support at 200 days moving average, which is currently at the level of $56.56, where I find that a downward move which will result in a steep upward move up to these levels, up to the level of $61.61, where the WTI crude oil futures will find the immediate resistance. But on the other hand, I find that this formation in a 4-hour chart is evident enough for a gap up opening at the level of $61. 61.50, where I find if the WTI Crude Oil Futures find a gap up opening on the first trading session of the week, we'll see the WTI Crude Oil Futures to move more upward, and no doubt that on the first trading session the WTI Crude Oil Futures may test the levels of $64, where they will find their next immediate resistance. No doubt that the WTI Crude Oil Futures move downward from these levels, because every upward move in WTI Crude Oil Futures will face stiff resistance. But on the other hand, I find the WTI Crude Oil Futures to move upward during the upcoming week. WTI Crude Oil Futures will definitely try to cross this upper end of this uptrend zone. So friends, I find that once the WTI Crude Oil Futures sustain above the level of $66.66, no doubt that the WTI Crude Oil Futures will achieve the target of $71.71 during the upcoming week. So friends, be ready to see an action in WTI Crude Oil Futures. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your more and more friends. Thank you.